Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save draft on YouTube Shorts. So first of all, open the YouTube app, then tap on the plus icon, tap on create a short, add your videos, and you can do all the edits, you can add music, you can finish your YouTube short. And if you decide not to publish yet because you want to make additional edits or you want to add more videos to it, you can save it as a draft. It's very simple, you just have to close it. And when you try to close it, it is going to ask you if you want to start again, which means you delete all the progress that you had, or you can save it as a draft. And when you tap on Save as Draft, as you can see, your draft is saved. And to continue editing your draft, you just have to tap on the plus icon, tap on Create a Short, and on the right side, you are going to see the drafts. And by tapping on them, you can continue editing the same project. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.